In this video, eminent physicist Michio Kaku divulges a fantastic revelation made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, that might reshape our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has allegedly spotted systems dating back in courage than ever watched, raising crucial questions almost the universe's roots, structure, and destiny. Kaku challenges us to assume a universe that's boundlessly expansive, setting ourselves within the center as we observe objects being born. This revelation has started seriously wrangles about among researchers and cosmologists, especially concerning the age of the universe and the potential presence of extraterrestrial life, an address frequently related with the Fermi Catch-22. The request into the age of the universe stands as a foundation in cosmology, speaking to a significant journey to get at how long the universe has extended since the huge blast. The Big Bang is the unstable occasion that gave rise to everything perceptible within the universe nowadays. All through history, the universe's age has been a subject of strongly talk about, indeed inside the logical community. In any case, modern agreement among most cosmologists shows that the universe is around 13.8 billion, a long time ancient, with an instability of less than 1% with respect to the term of its extension since the huge blast. Deciding the universe's age commonly includes two essential strategies. The primary strategy includes evaluating the universe's extension rate utilizing the Hubble steady, a metric inferred from watching the speed at which systems are subsiding from us. By evaluating this development, researchers can surmise the time galaxies took to arrive at their display positions. The second method involves examining old stars within the universe, found in substances like globular clusters. Researchers can find out their ages with a tall degree of certainty by analyzing components such as brightness, color, and revolution rate. By utilizing these strategies, cosmologists set up a least age for the universe, shedding light on its roots. Both strategies give compelling proof that the universe is around 13.8 billion, a long time ancient, with an edge of around 21 million, a long time. In addition, this age assess adjusts with numerous other perceptions and models with respect to the universe's current state, outstandingly fitting well with infinite microwave foundation radiation information, speaking to the most punctual light marks we have captured from the universe post-Big Blast that in spite of the solidarity of comes about from these cosmological models. Particular galactic perceptions oppose the assessed universe age, challenging our current understanding. A noteworthy case in point is the star distinguished as Methuselah. In a Think About distributed in 2013, scientists calculated Methuselah's age to be 14.5 billion, a long time, surpassing the broadly acknowledged age of the universe. Faultfinders of the huge blast hypothesis as often as possible emphasize this irregularity as a conceivable blemish in our comprehension of enormous beginnings. In spite of the fact that Methuselah's existence might appear at odds with the enormous blast hypothesis, critics often neglect a significant certainty. A more exact calculation places Methuselah's age at 14.45 billion, a long time, with invulnerability of 0.8 billion, a long time. Over time, these estimations are getting to be progressively exact. Be that as it may, the current appraise accounts for the minute, expecting the most extreme instability of 0.8 billion, a long time. Methuselah fits inside the recognized age run of the universe, roughly 13.65 billion, a long time. But in case the instability is considered within the inverse heading, the star extraordinarily surpasses our existing gauges, posturing a significant challenge to current cosmological models. Another recent complication for stargazers may be a revelation made by the James Webb Space Telescope. It lurched upon a cluster of systems accepted to have started just around 300 million, a long time post-Big Blast. Whereas this time outline adjusts with the current assessed age of the universe, the youthful age of these universes challenges our previously established inclinations, approximately the arrangement of universes of this size. Customary intelligence with respect to the arrangement of universes proposed their presence at this range was far-fetched. They showed up more progressed in improvement than already considered conceivable inside that period of the universe. Astoundingly, they persevered seriously radiation and collisions with other celestial bodies. Subsequently, these systems earned the moniker, the impossible systems. The winning estimation from these revelations recommended a require for cosmologists to re-evaluate their models concerning early universe arrangement, and a few addressed the exactness of the JWST discoveries. In any case, what in the event that our current presumptions are inaccurate? What on the off chance that these stars and worlds are endeavoring to tell us that our understanding of the universe's age is on a very basic level imperfect, but we are reluctant to acknowledge it? Rendra Gupta's title was moderately obscure until as of late. Be that as it may, that has changed, as Gupta, a professor of hypothetical material science and cosmology at the College of Ottawa, is on the brink of making history. He is the as it were one advertising two coherent clarifications for the presence of handfuls of worlds regarded inconceivable at the external limits of the known universe. Gupta's approach to determination is direct, grounded in two hypotheses that have been known for a century but were not taken seriously at the time. In the event that Gupta's recommendations demonstrate exact, we may have to alter ourselves to an completely unused number for the age of the universe, 27 billion years, with an instability of approximately 40 million a long time. Gupta substantiates his claims with compelling proof. The suggestions of this revelation would be significant for the logical community, especially for those who have long followed to the huge blast hypothesis and the winning assess of the universe's age at 13.8 billion a long time. Ought to Gupta's think about demonstrate exact and affirm a least age of 27 billion a long time for our universe, the suggestions would be fantastic for our understanding of the universe. Various existing speculations and models would require reassessment, a few would demonstrate erroneous, whereas others might experience amendment and overhauling. This wouldn't simply interpret to an increased workload for researchers. These progressions seem to show an opportunity to address long-standing questions and puzzles approximately the universe's root that have evaded us until presently. For occasion, an persevering conundrum in cosmology spins around what existed sometime recently: the huge blast. In the event that the enormous blast stamped the begin of time and space, the address of what gone before it doesn't seem very savvy. In any case, a more profound understanding gets to be basic on the off chance. As specified prior, a single star, Methuselah, opposed the anticipated age of 13.8 billion a long time. Analysts at first hooked with the plausibility of an estimation mistake in an endeavor to rationalize this irregularity. At that point, in July 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope made startling perceptions. Handfuls of worlds, apparently more seasoned than anticipated, developed in its focal point. These systems purportedly existed an insignificant 200 or 300 million a long time post the assumed huge blast. Intriguingly, they displayed exceptional range and radiance, characteristics ordinarily related with systems advancing within the universe's early stages. Commonly, systems require billions of a long time to create. When researchers follow back the formative timeline of these apparently progressed systems, they show up to go before the universe's age. Whereas a few hypotheses engage the idea of these worlds as turbo designers, such clarifications need genuine thought. The disclosures from the James Webb Telescope recommend a diverse account that challenges the set-up conviction within the universe's age or indeed questions the exceptionally presence of the huge blast. Displaying his arrangement, Rendra Gupta has mixed excitement among researchers since the summer of 2022. The prospect of an unused worldview challenges established speculations that numerous analysts have clung to, provoking a re-evaluation of set-up convictions. As researchers hook with the potential disturbance of their current understanding, restless evenings may gotten to be more common. Deplorably, not all cosmologists and cosmologists are prepared to grasp these disclosures as transformative. A few still cling to more seasoned clarifications, standing up to the call for development within the wake of James Webb's perceptions. Rendra Gupta stood separated from those rejecting the conceivable outcomes as inconceivable. He quickly advertised a conceivable clarification. Gupta drew motivation from a hypothesis defined by Swiss scientist Fritz Zwicky within the 1920s. Zwicky's investigate on the redshift of worlds driven him to conclusions wandering from his counterparts like Edwin Hubble and Georges Lemaitre. As light moves through space, its range shifts from white to red over amplified separations, causing the most seasoned universes to seem ruddy in enormous pictures. In differentiate, the closest stars radiate a white or blue-white glow. Edwin Hubble observed more than fair the immaculate remove to us within the redshift, clearing the way for modern viewpoints in astronomy, accepting he had proved that these old systems were not as it were displayed but too moving absent from us. This perception driven to the advancement of the Hubble steady, portraying the rate at which the universe grows. Be that as it may, in spite of being a foundation of the huge blast hypothesis, the development itself has however to be conclusively demonstrated, and skepticism holds on. In any case, the winning idea is that the universe has been ceaselessly extending since the enormous blast, and thought that Fritz Zwicky interpreted differently. Zwicky was persuaded that light loses vitality amid its broad travel through intuitive with other particles, coming about in a redshift. Imperatively, this instrument doesn't take after an extension of the universe and is apparently incongruent with the standard model of cosmology. In any case, the imaginative teacher from Ottawa, Rendra Gupta, offers a arrangement indeed in this setting. Agreeing to Gupta's ability, the tired light hypothesis adjusts consistently with existing standard models. To substantiate this, he utilizes another hypothesis beginning from 1937, the theory of variable constants proposed by British physicist Paul Dirac. Dirac sets that certain constants utilized to portray strengths and molecule masses are not eternally fixed, rather, they alter continuously over time.